Today's video, ito na yung unang reaction. Okay. Ito, camera natin. I-react tayo sa video. Lahat ng mga video. Salita ang kumanta. Taray! Okay na.
Come here, little Johnny. Why are you calling me Johnny? Because I want to. Why? No! Don't break the door! Please! I'm going to steal your gun in hand. Wait, what? No! No! Don't steal it! I'm opening! Oh no, let's run! Run! Go, 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 go! Put some speed, Godbuck! Go, 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 go! Go, 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 go! Come here, little Johnny! Where is that thing? Come to Jeffrey Epstein. What? Ah! Oh my God, it's Huggy! Or Jeffrey Epstein, he said.
Si
Come
Jeffrey Epstein.
here! No, no, I don't want to! Make this! Why are you making the solar system? Wait, what do you mean solar system? Go, 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 go! Oh my God! Go, go,
Oh my God!
go, go, go,
Go,
go,
go, go, go, go, go!
Oh no!
Jeffrey Epstein daw.
Huggy is here! Run! 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 Go, 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 go! Go, go, go! I'm getting really tired. Scan, scan! Oh no! Little Johnny, come to daddy.
Hey, yo!
Ah! We're going down the slide. Ouch! That hurts. Go, 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 go. Oh my God. Jeffrey Epstein is here. Go, 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 go. Where? Go, go, go. Come here, little Johnny. Scud, hurry. He's here. Go, go. Yeah. I'll get you next time. Okay, let's just do the chores and... Oh! What is that? What is that? Oh no, it's Huggy! No! Let's run! No. I'm here! Go, 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 go! Here, the hole! Go, 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 go! Run! Wait, what's that? Go, 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 go! Here!
Yo!
Wait, what? Oh! No!
Merong sipon today. Please
He's
sana
here!
now.
No, please. Please. I'll take a... Where are you, little Johnny? Your dad's here to pick you up. I thought you're dead. Oh. Let's go. Ah! No, don't take it. No. It's now mine.
Okay, next video. Hindi. Bro, ano to? Ako yan eh. Move to trash. Peke yan. Ano lang ako hinahanap? What the freak? Ad. Okay. Oh my
From
God.
Z. Bro, I look like Mr. Pooh. Check out the
Ito yung TikTok video eh.
Yes, please. Yes. Just subscribe. That's all it. And watch my videos. Just please. Just don't watch my cringiest short. from zero.
Oh.
Ikaw na.
Ay, ito yung upcoming video ko eh.
Kasama ka.
Di pa pwede i-reveal. Baka? Hindi ko alam. Ito yung cringe video. Problem, not that problem.
Doing this? Heck na.
No, 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 no. Okay, puro mga copyright lang ito eh. Okay, meron din ako kaya yun, babalik na tayo sa video. Sunset. Okay, ito. Parang ito yung next video ko. Ay, ito yung next upcoming short ko. Okay.
The freak ito. Grand pa na. What the freak?
Sturdy. At copyright din to. Para record ito. Ay, dako.
Yo, ba't merong helicopter?
Yan ang in-edit ko. Yan ang in-edit ko.
Yo! Abuli natin! And may rain. Abuli natin! Go, go, go! Nandito na! Abuli natin! And may abuli natin!
The freak? Copy.
Yo! 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 Nandun yung road! Uy, ito! And may rain round! Abuli natin! Go, go! Abuli natin!
Bro. Ayan na lang. Oh my God! Okay, pages image. Wala na. Si Pluto. That one is not your bro. Ay, yan! Yung wallpaper ko, yung full version. Sana pa? Bro. Ano to? Video ba to? Ito dating to. Ito. Kasi. Ito. Roblox. Ito. Copyright.
In today's video, maglalaro. Kala mo Ito? Ano kaya ang lalalulit natin? Hindi.
Dit. Ito yung isang series ko. Ito yung bloopers.
Bloopers be like... Let's go. Oh my God, ang kate. Kate ng likod ko, guys.
Hindi ko mabot ka.
3, 2, 1... Go!
Skip na lang natin.
Hey, yo!
What the freak?
Punta tayo dito. Go!
Bagal ka naman tuwak ko. Parang padung ako eh. Skip na nga natin.
Head on your shoulder. Hey, mag-lemon ilan.
Nana ako dyan eh. Unconscious. Ito yung intro natin. Ito yung TikTok video. Si Reynos.
Gabi
Sa
na oh.
prototype. Mr. Ed.
Bakit nasinira niya? Exit. Ito. Tiger! Ito na bisira. Yan na naman. Ang mga guards! Ang sarap ng braso ko. Nagdali sa camera. Ito ah. Kapatid mo? Exit. Ha? Dadalhin ko. Hoy! Balik ka dito! Mag-guard ng camera namin!
Oh, dito eh.
Bye-bye!
Yak, may laway. Oh my God. Kakatakot ni prototype. Oh. Ito yung kasi yung outro ko. Oh, sakit nun. Tara, tira! Ah, dito, oh, no.
In today's video, guys, and into
So, ito. Arr, arr. Okay, bilisan na natin. Oh! Mag-outpost, okay? Ito si JD of JD Face Reveal.
Well, mag-start tayo po yung Pilipino.
Ito yung nililig kong video. Tsura niya. Yo. Yo, ito. Ito na ang final photos. Okay, hanggang dito na lang tayo. Make sure to like and subscribe and I'll catch you in the next one.